Hi, City Beauties. During times like this, we believe it's important to hold on to the small things that make you feel happy. We asked you to share your favorite feel-good activities. Here are 10 of your responses. 1. Using technology to connect.
Dear City Beauty, I'm very grateful for the technology that means I can see my son and talk to him anytime I want, even though he is on the opposite coast of Australia. How lucky am I? Love, Michelle.
2. Radiance boosting do-it-yourself scrub.
Dear City Beauty, best tip? I scrub my face, neck, and décolletage to exfoliate and stimulate circulation. No one knows I am 66. Learned from an aunt years ago and have been good about it for the last 20 years. Love, Linda G. P.S. Sunscreen daily.
3. Listen to music and dance just for fun.
Dear City Beauty, for me, music and dancing around like nobody's watching has always had a calming and energizing effect on me. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you. Love, Rhonda L.
4. Do-it-yourself night cream.
Dear City Beauty, recently, because of more time at home, I have made an overnight cream of 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 teaspoons coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon honey. Mix into paste and put in a jar to keep in the refrigerator. I apply once a week at night and find it great for my skin to moisturize and tighten. Love, Maureen.
5. Meditation and nature walk.
Dear City Beauty, I'm retired, so I've not been as affected as many people are. I read a lot, work in my small yard, and try to take time meditating, exercising at home, or a walk. Love, Deborah T.
6. Connecting with loved ones.
Dear City Beauty, in response to your request for things that make me feel better during this crisis, I have a few. Number 1, phone calls to friends and family. Every day I call someone who lives alone. Number 2, practicing yoga on Zoom with friends. Number 3, loving my dog, cat, and husband and smiling throughout the day. All these things are my lifeline each day. Thanks for caring about your customers. Perhaps something here will be helpful to someone else. God bless. Love, Virginia.
7. Family time.
Dear City Beauty, my daughter is home more and presently I'm listening to her sing while she plays the piano. It's a beautiful moment in a time of uncertainty. We're safe and we're together. Good harmony all the way around. Thanks for asking. With gratitude, Janice.
8. Quick oatmeal face mask.
Dear City Beauty, my mother had beautiful skin. She used to mix oatmeal and the white of the egg to give herself a great facial. She had gorgeous skin. Love, Rita May.
9. Yoga for physical, mental, and spiritual well-being.
Dear City Beauty, I'm a yoga master instructor. I have many students in my area and have been teaching a very long time. During these stressful times, we need to do everything possible to care for ourselves physically, mentally, and spiritually. Peace be with you. Stay safe. Love, Noreen G.
10. Exercising and getting outside.
Dear City Beauty, even at 72, I'm still an outdoor girl. So I'm actually loving the slowdown in my busy life and getting out on my acre for 2 to 3 hours per day, trimming trees, pulling weeds, and brush cleaning. It's good exercise, and I get my vitamin D too. Love, L.
Thank you so much for sharing your tips with our City Beauty community. Be well and stay beautiful. Love, City Beauty.